Today we will start our chapter number 2 in export management. The chapter is foreign direct investment. Now many of time you may have heard that government is increasing FDI, government is allowing FDI, government has not allowed FDI in this sector, the FDI in India is increasing. So what does this FDI means? Simply, when a company invests in foreign countries, generally a company invests in foreign countries. Why? Because they need to get certain control either over market or resources or production, etc. And the aim is to increase the sales, is termed as FDI. FDI actually is the acronyms of foreign direct investment, wherein a foreign company directly, without any intermediary, without any other routes, directly enter into another country and invest. That is called as foreign direct investment. The other definition of foreign direct investment says that when any kind of investment made by a company in new manufacturing facilities or marketing facilities or in both in a foreign country, that referred as a foreign direct investment. So whenever one country invests in another country, that is called as foreign direct investment, FDI. And generally the aim of such FDI is to gain control over market or production facilities, so that company can increase their sales, their market share, etc. So that is the meaning of FDI. Now the factors. What are the factors that influence the FDI? It means by seeing what or to get what type of advantage generally company prefers foreign direct investment. What are the factors that motivate the company to invest in another country? That are the factors influencing FDI. Among this factor, the first factor is supply factor. Supply factors means a firm invests in foreign countries due to the lower cost of business in foreign countries. Generally, the business mainly need supply and inputs for production. The inputs like raw material, labor cost, other components which are necessary in production. Now, if such factors are available at cheaper rate, then to get the advantage of such factors, company invest in foreign market. So those all factors are collectively called as supply factors. Among these supply factors, one of the very important factor is production cost. Generally, any company invest in foreign countries because they want to get the benefit of lower production cost in foreign market. Generally, such lower production cost is due to the lesser or very lower cheaper labor cost. The land prices are very less, commercial real estate prices are less, government is providing many tax benefits or tax incentives, etc. So all these factors will ultimately lead to decrease the overall production cost, overall manufacturing cost, and the company want to get the benefit of such lower prices of various input factors, and hence they go for foreign direct investment. They invest in such a country where all such factors are cheaply available. Say for example, a very well-known US manufacturing shoes making brand has stopped their production in USA and they have started their production plant in India just because the raw material and the labors both are cheaply available in India, so that company can substantially decrease their production cost. And further, by doing production in India, they will also later on start exporting from India due to lower production cost. So these are the advantages that company may want to take, and that's why they go in a foreign market. The next advantage the next factors that influence the company is the logistic. If the cost of transportation from the domestic country to a foreign market wherein the company usually want to sell the product, if such transportation cost is very high, then generally the company do not want to go for that way, because it will ultimately increase the cost of overall production, and hence the company take the route of FDI. Say for example, Coca-Cola, BMW, etc., Volkswagen, etc.'s company has started their production, their manufacturing in India because just they do not want to increase their transportation cost. A transporting product from one country to another country involve a huge amount of transportation cost. So to avoid such high cost, generally company invest in foreign market. Then the next is availability of natural resources. The natural resources are available in limited country. Not all the country has access to all these resources. Say for example, the crude oil is mainly concentrated. You will find crude oil mainly in the Saudi Arabia and Gulf countries. Further, America and Russia are also producer of oil, but majorly time when we are talking about oil manufacturing countries, we will concentrate on Gulf countries. So Gulf countries are the countries where the natural oil, crude oil are available in a huge quantity. So the company want to locate their production facilities in such areas where they can easily find the inputs, because such inputs, such raw material are very crucial for the organization, and that is why they generally want to locate their production facility where such natural resources are easily available, so that company can have uninterrupted raw material supply for their production. The next factor is availability of quality human resource at lower cost. Generally in production cost there are major two costs. One is cost of raw material and the other is cost of labor. Availability of good quality human resource and at a very cheaper rate is very difficult, and hence the company is searching those countries where they will find a good quality human resource at a cheaper rate, and so that company can substantially decrease their cost of production and can achieve a competitive advantage in market, and hence to avail such benefit company may go for FDI. Generally many Asian countries like China, India, Taiwan, Malaysia, South Korea, etc. are the countries where the human resource, a quality human resource are available at a cheaper rate. Further, India is at second rank in availability of cheap labor. So to avail the advantage of this thing, company may go for FDI. And the next point is access to key technology. A key technology, that is the technology which are very important, which are very necessary for the production of goods. Such technologies are generally available in developed countries. They are manufactured, they are developed in developing countries, and so that company want to get the access of such technology. Due to many patent and trademark law, the technology transfer is very restricted. Hence company wants such kind of technologies. They want to access those technologies, and to avail those technologies company may go for FDI. So that is all about today's session. Have a nice day. Goodbye.